Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit text on Wix. Let's get straight into it. I'll be working in the Wix editor in a web browser. First, click on the text element you want to edit. Just click directly on the text box on your page canvas. You'll know it's selected when an Edit Text button appears in the floating toolbar above it. Next, click that Edit Text button. This opens up the text editing area where you can type or paste your text, and you'll also see the Text Settings panel open up on the side. That's where all your formatting options live. Now you can edit your text. Click inside the text box to place your cursor, then type in whatever changes you want to make. If you're pasting text from a Word document or Google Doc, Wix will automatically strip out most of the formatting, which actually helps keep your site's typography consistent. Your browser's spell check should kick in as you type if it's not working. Just check that spell check is enabled in your browser settings. If you want to format specific words or phrases, highlight the text you want to change, then use the options in that text settings panel on the right. You've got a style dropdown where you can pick a theme for the text. The font dropdown lets you choose a different typeface. There's a font size slider. You can set anything between 6 and 999 pixels. You've got your standard bold, italics, and underline icons. The color icon changes your text color, and the highlight icon adds a background color behind the text. And there's an alignment dropdown to align your text left, right, or center. Once you're happy with your changes, press Enter on your keyboard, or just click anywhere outside the text box. The editing mode closes automatically, and your changes are saved to that text element. Before you publish, here are two things worth doing. First, click the mobile icon at the top of the Wix editor to switch to mobile view. Text that looks perfect on desktop often needs tweaking on mobile, so check each page in mobile view before you go live. Second, use the preview function to see how your edited text actually looks on the page before you publish your site. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.